everyone, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Naya. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you top 4 amazing body oil that you can use to glow your skin without any green veins, stretch marks, pimples, dark spot, irritation, and all that. Okay, if you want to use these oils, I promise you are going to love your skin because all these oils that I want to list on this video, they are very great on the skin. They're going to brighten your skin, give you flawless skin, and also glow your skin according to how you want it. Okay, this is not by mouth. It's not a joke. Okay, I'm not kidding. So if you want to glow your skin, have that flawless and shiny skin, get one of these oil and thank me later. Okay? Hello, in case you're new to my channel, it's your girl Naya. My name is Naya. In this channel, we talk about beauty, skincare, DIY, product review, and many more. You are highly welcome to the family. Please do grab your seat, okay? So, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you top 4 amazing oils to use on your skin for glowing skin. Make sure you watch to the end because the last one is the best, okay? Because that one is my favorite, okay? So first on the list is going to be Advanced Clinical. This oil is amazing. It's made with vitamin C, okay? So all you have to do is to go and get one of these oil and start using. If your skin does not glow, and knows that you don't have a better skin because this oil is very great on the skin. It will give you a very nice shade, bright skin, glowing skin, radiant skin, hydrate, and in fact, you won't have pimples, dark spots, hyperpigmentation on your skin. Never, you're not going to have it. If you are the type of the person that always has a dry skin, your skin is always looking dull, get one of these oils that I'm going to list on this video, and then you come back and thank me later, okay? So second on the list is going to be Desire Vitamin C oil, okay? So if you are searching for an oil to glow your skin, to have that flawless skin, your skin will look so shiny, so hydrating, so flawless. You should also get one of these oil. It's going to help your skin a lot, give you that shiny skin. I promise you're going to love it. This is not by mouth. I'm not joking, okay? So this oil is going to give you that radiant skin looking, okay? This is not by mouth or so maybe just come here to be or like joking. No, this is not joke, okay? I'm very serious, 100% serious. If you get this oil, you are using it, your skin does not glow or brighten your skin, does not brighten or glow your skin, knows that you don't have a better skin, yeah? That is it, because all these 4 oils that I'm going to mention, they are so lovely. Like, they are going to give you that glowing skin, okay? So number 3 is going to, next on the list is going to be Dr. Rashid, okay? This brightening oil is going to brighten your skin, give you flawless skin, hydrated skin, a very shiny skin. Like, it's going to glow your skin as well. All you have to do is to get this oil and then thank me later because you're going to love it. Don't doubt me because these oils that I'm recommending, I know why I recommend this oil. Most of those skincare vendors, they do mix all this with those expensive skincare products you guys spend money on, okay? So if you want to have that nicer skin, flawless skin without pimples, dark spots, hyperpigmentations, green veins, stretch marks, and all that, you should get one of these oils that I just list on this video. You're going to love it and thank me later. So next on the list is going to be Fair and White. Ha! Oh my goodness, this oil is the best, okay? I love this oil. Personally, I love this oil because it's very great on the skin. Just get one of these if you are searching for a very nicer skin, brighter skin, flawless skin, smooth skin without any irritation, even mosquito bites. You should get one of this oil because you're going to love your skin. This is not about you're making my glow. All you have to do is to get one of these oils that I just list here and use it. See for yourself whether I'm right or not. Okay? So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, okay? It's free. You are not going to pay for it. Please do subscribe. Subscribe, it's free. Subscribe and share my videos to your lovers and your families, okay? That is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!